Righto. We're going to add an image. So we've got, if we launch this, we have got our basic canvas set up. We have got our thing in here. So what we want to do is we want to be able to get an image in there instead. So we use basically something very similar to this color rect function. So we're going to go function, say draw image. Actually, I'll shorten it down because I'm pretty sure that's actually a coded function. So draw image, and we need a source where it comes from, an X, a Y. That's the bare minimum. We can add a width and a height, and there's also another 4 you can add. And you're like, why would you need 4 more? Well, if you had a sprite sheet, so let's look up an image, for example. Cute. Ship sprite sheet PNG images. If we had something like this, we had multiple images, we would load the one image and then choose what part of the image we show. In our case, I'm quite happy to do just a simple image. Save image as. Now this wants to go to the downloads, which isn't ideal, because if we look here, we're in somewhere else. So if I go like this, right mouse click, show in Explorer, that's where we want to save, right next to the code, or in an images folder, even better actually, new folder, images. So we want to save inside there. So if I take that location, and then I'm here, paste it there. Oh, look, I'm in the same place. Okay, and I call it ship. Now, let's go back to our code. Now we've got an image ready. We need canvas context dot draw. See, draw image in full with a capital Y. That's why I didn't want to take that. Basically all this here. Right, so now we need to make a variable to get the image in. So I go var, say ship equals new image. Ship dot source equals images folder slash ship dot png, and if it's worked, when I hover, I see a ship. Right, so instead of being this player here, I'll say, where do we want to start? That's fine. How wide do we want it to be? Well, if I read this here, it's 170, it's quite big. So, but it's roughly 180 by 290. So if I say 18 by 29, it's roughly the same proportions. Now obviously we don't want that. And we want our source in the front, which is just ship. And this won't be a color rect anymore, this will be this function name here. So now if I go back to here and refresh it, there's our ship. I can up that, say, 30 by 45. Roughly the right proportions. And those could all move. So if I have ship xpos equals 0, ship ypos, ship x speed, speed equals 5, then this would be ship xpos, ship ypos, and I have to make a very quick move function, so function ship move, ship xpos plus equals ship x speed, and then just call ship move function in here in that main loop, because we want this loop to run all the time. And all it's going to run is take the xpos, plus equals means keep it the same, and then add the speed on it. It's just slide out the right hand side of the screen. So if I run that, yeah, it disappears, which looks a bit strange. So maybe ypos, and we'll say ship ypos should start at 400. Right, let me get that right. Ship ypos 400. Ship plus equals, oh no, that should be minus equals to go up the page. Sorry, my bad, because that's 400, that's 0. There you go. So that's it. That's how to get an image in really simply, and obviously you can see it is working as well.